It's the 497th birthday of Jakarta, the capital city of Indonesia. There are a lot of things going on here, so I tried to experiment with a couple of recipes during the events. One of the highlights of the city is Kota Tua, which is basically the old town, the original part of the city. This time I brought my Olympus EM5 to experiment with a Kodak gold film simulation recipe. If Kodak Portra is known for its colors leaning towards magenta with a warm temperature, from what I understand, Kodak Gold similarly give us warmth, but the color leans slightly toward green, or you could say bluish, since warm yellow combined with blue gives you that slightly green tint, but not too green, I think. Disclaimer, I only try to understand the film stock color by researching and looking at some samples that people shot with the particular film and interpreting the characteristic of the film myself. So I'm open to different interpretations regarding the film stock characteristics. Nevertheless, I did the experiment with the Kodak Gold based on the idea of having warm temperature as well as slight lean toward green. Without further ado, here is the recipe. Da, 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 da. In Olympus cameras, this interface is called the Super Control Panel, or SCP. So make sure to enable it to make it easy to adjust your film simulation settings. If you don't know how to enable it, I have a quick video to get this setting, link in the description below. I like to set the ISO to auto with maximum set to 6400, and that depends on your taste. I don't really mind having grains in my shots. Set the white balance to sunny. As for the white balance shift, give the A or amber +7, as we want the color to have a warm temperature, and give the G or green tint as +2, as we want the tone or the tint to lean just a little bit toward green. For the color profile, I choose natural. Sharpness, I leave it at 0. You can adjust it to -1 or -2 if you want to get that softer look, but I like to keep my shot sharp. Contrast -1, saturation 0, and as RGB. Please make sure to enable the superfine or SF mode for your JPEG. This feature is apparently hidden in Olympus cameras. I have a spared quick tips video on that, so you can check it out. And that's it. If you want more top secret hacks and tricks to transform your ancient cameras into Hollywood superstars, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join me on this photographic roller coaster. Until next time, keep snapping and keep it budget tight. Au revoir.